Tell me.
Avinash,
Avinash, tell
please
me.
post the meeting link every time in the Teams chat. From tomorrow we will start.
Your voice is not audible and it's not clear. Please chat. Okay. Okay. I'm keeping everyone in mute, disabling mics and cameras for everyone. So for next 15 minutes, stay yourself in a listen only mode. Then you can continue. Okay. So sharing my screen. Teams. So we need to have meeting our team scheduled or our teams formed. Along with that, we also need to have our use case one ready by today. So I'll give you the use case, but before that, I was waiting in the lobby. Issue. Guys, I cannot keep admitting each and everyone. So I see Mohit didn't join with his credentials. Mohit, you need to join with your credentials. Files. Okay. Okay. Use case one. This is week two. Let's keep a folder for week two. Okay. And today we are going to discuss on GitHub. Let's see if GitHub is available or not. Join GitHub. Sign in. Okay. Okay. I'll unmute everyone. We require us everyone to talk. So allowing mics. Okay. Guys, please unmute. Only one person talk at a time. That would be the best option for now. So we are a team of close to 34 members now. Now, how can we assign tasks so that one person will not duplicate the same work that other people are doing? How can we do that? In general terms, don't go with GitHub or don't go with TFS. In general terms, if we want to do, let's discuss on how we can do that.
We need to have proper plan and divide our components based on the people.
Okay. Okay, Anil. And if there are 30 members in the team, then how can we plan for each and every team? Each and every member.
So, okay, it's not about the size of the team. If we have 30 activities to do, then we can divide among ourselves. Or else one person can do in a different way, the same thing.
Okay.
So we'll plan the process according.
Okay. So now what I want each and every one of you to do is go ahead, go to RP developer in 30 days. Okay. I'm sharing the link. Chat. Let me add it in the Teams notes. Copy it from there. Everyone can open project team notes. Just open that. Don't make any changes. 11 April 2022 GitHub. Okay, so since I cannot give work to each and everyone by calling them individually, or I cannot assign the same work to multiple people, we will just go ahead and use some tools that are available for us. Okay, one of the tool is GitHub. So what is GitHub is the first question. Okay, how will you use it? Okay, then what is the other one? What are the alternatives for GitHub? Okay, and what is the difference between Git and GitHub? Okay, so these are the questions we need to ask for ourselves to understand what exactly is project management and repo management. Sharma. Now Sharma, why are you joining as a guest? You have a credentials to log in. From tomorrow I'm not allowing anyone with guest role. Okay, just check that. Okay, what is the difference between Git and GitHub? By after we go further, see, once you open it, you will have an option called fork here. But before that, you need to log in and you need to continue. See, this cannot be a session where I sit and teach you. You need to sit and work. Only then things will be available for you. Okay. So make it quick, make it fast. Just confirm, give it a thumbs up if you have logged into GitHub. Log in with your credentials or create an account. That is just a account creation, nothing else. Go ahead and chat. Let me just see the messages. If you have completed, just give it a thumbs up. Done. Okay, so now the second thing that you need to do is download and install GitHub Desktop into your machines. Once you fork it, you will have your own repo. Now go to GitHub Desktop and download it. Okay, desktop.github.com. I'm pasting the same link in the Teams item. Okay, copy it from here, or else you can just check it. Open GitHub Desktop, download it, make it fast. Download for Windows. Okay, let me pick one and we'll sit with him and work. Anil, can you please unmute and talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, also please share your screen. Let you
Yeah.
be the guide for today's meeting.
Yeah, I did not download the GitHub
You downloaded
Windows
it?
for now. No, I am downloading it now.
Okay, yeah, you have a better internet connection, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please share your screen then.
Okay. Can you enable share option for me?
Anil, you should have a share option. Why are you not having a share option?
I do not have an option.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, hopefully, yes. Okay. You are using for collaborative coding community, you can check everything.
Okay.
Just go ahead and check everything and then continue.
Continue for 4
Yeah,
years.
correct. Okay, now open my repository.
Yes, sir.
On the right side, you have fork, top right.
Yes. Yeah.
Click on that. Okay, so I will tell you what is the difference between Git and GitHub first, then we will go with what is fork and all. So keep your screen share on, go to notes, Teams notes. Okay, so I'll be typing in, just follow my cursor.
Yeah.
Okay, so GitHub is a service to store to store code and information. Okay, so this is like a database or a service which can be accessed through web, and it has the information, or it is used for storing the information. Okay, and what is the difference between Git and GitHub is, see, how will you do a repo management? For example, a file changed or a comma separated or else a space bar entered. So any kind of small changes will be recorded by Git. Any changes will be recorded by Git. And Git is the version management system here. Okay, now if I write something, for example, if I am writing in this notes, and if I am not sharing this, someone else might also use the same notes and they can make changes, but I will not have their changes, they will not have my changes. Okay, but when we are doing something like this, like I'm sharing the screen completely to everyone, what exactly is happening is everyone can see the changes, but in code this cannot happen. We cannot have a live coding, so everyone cannot have the same version of code. Now how they do that? Each and everything that we change, or each and everything that we make an update, will be recorded by Git. Okay, and for others to access, we are storing it in one central repository. Okay, so this central repository for now is GitHub for us. So what are the other options that we have? Bitbucket, okay, Azure TFS, Team Foundation Services. Tortoise SVN. SVN full form is subversioning. Okay, so we have all these sub options. Okay, so simple way to explain this is you need to make a call, but you can use any model of a call, or you can use any company device to make a call. Okay, just a second. Mohit, can you please unmute and talk? Guys, please wait for a second. Mohit? Mohit, why are you joining without logging in?
I'm not able to log in for some reason, and the application just shut off on me. That's the reason.
Try to use your mobile device to try, Mohit. Okay, because since I have already confirmed, if you are not able to log in, we cannot add you. Okay. Just check it from the next session. Okay. So with respect to versioning or the subversioning, we have GitHub, Bitbucket, Azure TFS and all, but we can use GitHub for our sessions, and even for all the enterprise projects or all the enterprise items, we will be using GitHub only. Okay. Okay. So Anil, do you have any experience prior to this working with GitHub?
No, I don't have any experience.
Okay. So now what we can do is, there is already some code written by me and all the other team members of yours who are from the previous teams. They have already written code and they have saved it for others to access. That is available in GitHub. That is available with a link. Okay, go to GitHub. Yeah. So now what you have done is, when you fork it, you have copied yourself a version of it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, is my version same as your version? Like, are they both identical?
I think it's same because
You haven't
made
made any changes yet.
Yeah.
But it cannot also be same, because someone might have added changes after you have taken the repo.
Okay.
If you see on the top, it is forked from Vajrang/RPA developer in 30 days. But on the top you have Anil71323/RPA developer in 30 days.
Yes, Vajra.
Okay.
So someone might have changed.
Exactly.
Once after I forked. Okay.
Okay. So you have copied something, but after you have copied, someone might have added changes to the main code.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will also add some details in the document. You can go back to the document. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. Now, there are few keywords that you need to remember. That is master or main. Okay. This is branch keywords in GitHub. Keywords. Okay. Master or main. And then what else we have? Branch and fork, pull, push. Okay, so these are few important words that you can say, or important places to remember. Now, what is master or main? All the production information will be in master or main. All the information that's in main or master must be only in production, prod environment. So all the other branches, you can treat it as like a what you can say is you can treat it as like a tree. Okay, now what exactly happens with a tree? Now there will be a main trunk. Okay, so when you take an example, we will have a main trunk. Okay, so out of this trunk, what can come out of this trunk? Can we have branches?
Yes, sir.
Branch 1. Now can we have multiple branches? Branch 2.
Yes.
Branch 3. Okay, so to avoid confusion, I will give you a limited amount of tasks for today, but just understand, branches are the sub repos or are the copies of trunk, but you are adding something on top of it. Okay, there is a trunk or the trunk is available for you, but in branch 1 you will have some extra code. In branch 2 there can be some extra code. Okay, one branch will not be identical to the other branch, right? They both will be different. Okay, now in the same way, everyone will have their own copies. Now branch 1, I can take it as, for example, I can take it as Anil branch. Okay, now what is the other branch that I can have? I can have Avinash branch. Okay, Avinash branch, and here I can have one more branch, that is Nagaraj branch. Nagaraj. Okay, but whose name the trunk always will be?
Yes, Vajrang.
Vajrang. So whatever you are copying from my code, but you are creating your code for yourself. Okay, so can you please go back to the GitHub? Let's
Yes.
go back to GitHub. Let's see how many members have forked it. Can you please refresh it? So can you see that 119 forks are done? Guys, please go ahead, log in and complete this
Yeah.
fork activity. If you are not able to do it, make sure you complete it. We'll wait. There is no rush. If we rush, there is nothing that will happen. Yes, Bindu, you are right. Master is my code and all the branches. So there are different representations, but you can take that. There is a code that you have copied, and if you want to add on top of it, you are adding it. Okay. Do I need to click on sign in into GitHub? Yes, Chandu, you need to do that. GitHub, not enterprise version. You can use a community version. Every item that we are discussing here is free. No need to spend any single penny out of it. Okay. Guys, our session today will be on GitHub and it will be a practical session. Don't expect me to sit and ideally give you out a lecture. We cannot have it. Okay, so now what I will do is, can you go to Vajrang folder?
Yes, sir.
No, at the bottom there is Adarsh,
Okay. That's
Abhijit and all. Can you just scroll down and yeah, see Vajrang. Yep. Just hit on enter. There will be a separate folder for my name.
yes.
Can you open it?
So okay.
So I have team 5, team 6, team 7. There are some other codes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have access for previous team's codes as well. There is nothing that I'm sharing or covering up, so it's open for everyone. You have sample resumes, you have API project. If you want to check and use it, you can use it. For now, what I'll do, I will create a folder for this team, this current team. Add folder. But for that, what I ideally need to do is GitHub Desktop. I don't have. Okay, let me just tell you how I did GitHub cloning. Then you can use it and complete. Can you see the screen share? Just a second. Yeah. Started screen share. Can you see? All I'll do is I will go to download for Windows. Once I have it downloaded, I can log into GitHub. So people who joined in new today only, though you have missed the previous sessions, I'll give you the recordings only, and you can continue from today. Every session will be new, every discussion will be different, but only when you attend all the meetings, then you will be able to understand the full concept. Anyone having issues with downloading GitHub, just go out and chat, give it out a message in the message. Okay, now this is downloaded. I'll go ahead and install it. Okay, it will take time for me to install. I hope others have already forked and installed GitHub. So what are we doing? We are having Vajrang trunk, or instead of trunk, can we have it as master or trunk or main branch? Yeah. So after opening this, I need to go and sign into GitHub. Allow GitHub. So since I'm already logged into browser, it will just log me in. Okay, and then finish. All I need is I need to copy or clone this. See, once you log in, you will have all the repositories here available right away for you. All I need is select a repository that I want. This is what I want. Okay, and here let's go ahead and give it to D drive, and let's go with GitHub and this one. Once you've done this, it will create a clone for you. So all I would like to show you over here is, if you go to D drive, okay, and let's see GitHub, can you see new files will be added? Till now this folder is empty, but as you see, the items are getting cloned. So I'm having a copy or whatever code that is available in the cloud, I'm copying it into my local so that I can make some changes or I can add some code. See, till now we haven't gone into UiPath Studio. Just remember that it's not only writing about code. You need to know a lot of different things while working on the projects. It's not just open UiPath Studio and write some else and if conditions. That's how the project is done. That's not the correct way how you do it. People who have already known, they might have worked with other activities. Not sure with GitHub. Marty, have you worked on GitHub? Rashmi, you can register. Yes. Bindu Priya, let's wait. I cannot give access to everyone because that will just mix perspectives. So just follow my activities. Yes, you can. Now, Sharma, you need to again fork it. Guys, please help in the chat. So if you're seeing code is getting downloaded, all the code that's available in my repo will be downloaded here. So whatever you're coding now will be a main branch for the next members, next team if they are joining in. Okay. So all my code is updated and completed. Okay. Now let's go into Vajrang folder. Everyone can create their own folder. I have my own folder called Vajrang. I'll use the same one. Okay. Once you clone it, can you guys please create a folder for yourself and confirm if it is done or not?
Vajrang, it is asking how many members will be working with you. So, what should I enter here?
I think that depends. You can enter more than 2,000, 3,000. See, those are basic stuff that doesn't have any impact on what you're doing. Okay. If possible, if there is something there that you cannot share, or if there is a screenshot, then give it a screenshot and upload it in the chat. Create a folder in the root. Here you have names, right? In the same way, create a name for yourself and create a folder. Okay, I'll create, since I already have my name, I'll just go ahead and create a folder. Vajrang new folder. RPA project team 1. In that I'll create a separate folder called new folder week 2. Actually this is week 1. Okay, and in this week 1 I'll create a file called new text document GitHub test, and I needed to write something to show the changes. Okay, just complete the activity till here. Create a folder for yourself. No need to create project team 1. Just create a file. Just create a file. Folder called week 1 for yourself. Guys, I am having a lot of disturbance from Mardi. Go on mute. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Create your, what is this? Project team 1. Okay, so all you need is you need to create your folder. Okay, and then keep week 1 folder in it and create a text file. That's it, nothing else. Project team 1 week 1 GitHub test or whatever it is. Once that is done, go to GitHub and here you will see the changes. Please complete that activity, everyone. Repository name is, okay, sorry, where is this? Okay, here is the repository name. Yep. In GitHub, all the repository is available for open, public as well. So don't add any credentials or any personal information in it. Create a file, create a new text file. That's it. Just add a text file and just add some content in it and save it so that if you open GitHub, you see this one file changed. Just confirm if you see this one file changed, GitHub test, and there is one file. If there is no content in text in the text file, then you will not be able to see the changes. Okay, so I'm stopping the meeting or discussion now. All you need to do is complete the activity till now, whatever have happened. We cannot continue further until this is done. And you have 20 minutes more to complete this. Saraja, you need to download GitHub Desktop, initialize repository. Here, should I enable everything in the initialized repository with? Bindu, take a screenshot and upload it in the chat. What Maruti is doing, is this correct? Yeah, there is no need to. So, Maruti, don't clone it from. Where are you doing it? Maruti, I'm giving you a screen share access. Just connect. People. Maruti. Yep. Maruti, you are a presenter now. Check if you can share your screen and talk.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen.
Yep. So press cancel. Don't create a new repository. You need to first clone it. Go to go to GitHub website, and I have given you the link, right?
Yes.
In the chat. Yeah. Click on clone, fork. Click on fork
Yeah, yeah.
on the top right.
Right. No, top right.
Yep,
Yeah, fork.
fork.
Okay.
So if you click on fork, this code will be copied for yourself. This is your code now.
Okay.
Okay. Now when you go to GitHub, then you can see the new repo. Just refresh. Click on that refresh button on the right side. Don't create any repository. Don't just clone it from the internet. Follow the steps so that this will be easier for you. Now can you see?
Yeah, here.
Yes. Click on
Yes.
that. Okay. Now clone it. Okay. If you want to change your local path, you can change.
Mm. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so this is the steps, guys. First, you need to fork. Then you will get the option. You will get all the repositories. Then just clone it. No need to create any new repository. Anyone having issue? Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, that's correct. Clone and checkout are same. Like when you are cloning, you are taking a copy, and checkout is getting a copy for yourself in SVN. That's correct. Darshni cannot fork. Darshni, I am giving you the access to present. Go ahead and present. Present. Yep. You are presenter now. You can go ahead and share it.
Can you see my screen, Vajran?
I'm seeing myself, but yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, it shows cannot fork because you own this repository.
Yeah, if you already
not a-
forked it, see, it's already forked. You have already done that. On the left side, if you see, there is Darshni IPD / RP developer in 30 days. If you didn't fork it, then you will have an option. Okay, you have already made a copy. Now go to GitHub Desktop. GitHub Desktop. Click on that. Where is this? Yeah, just wait to sign in.
Since a long time this is being shown.
Then press cancel and open it again. Okay, once you are able to do, yeah, sign in again. Yep. Authorize.
Shall I go with this?
No, authorize first. Yeah, you are first authorizing and making sure that you will get logged in. Click on always and then open. Okay, finish. Can you see RP developer in 30 days on the right side?
Yes, yes.
Click on it and clone it. Okay, I think this is done for you. Okay, people who have already forked, anyone who have already completed the clone, I just need one activity to be completed. Anil, have you completed the clone?
Yes, yes, Vajrang. I
Yeah,
am done.
please share again, please.
Yeah. I'm sharing it.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen, Vajrang?
Okay, just a second. I can create a folder for yourself.
Yes, yes, Vajrang.
Okay, open that. Create week 1. Okay, you have already created it, Anil. Yeah, that's fine. Go to GitHub Desktop now.
Okay.
Can you see that if one file is changed? So what is that? Is it your resume?
I don't know exactly what's that for, Vajrang.
Okay,
You want me
whatever
to?
it is, there is a file. That's it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, in the summary, there is something called required. So you need to mention what changes you made.
Okay.
Okay, so just write uploaded or completed my resume or uploaded my resume.
Okay. Can I paste the same thing in description as well?
No need. Description is not mandatory. But if you want to link someone else from your team, you can also do that. For example, you can add my name as co-author. For example, if there is a single work and 2 people are working on it.
Okay.
Okay, if you just want to mention them, you can mention them. Click on add co-authors and add my name.
Okay.
After cloning, you can create folder like you are seeing others' names, right? In the same way, you can create your folder name.
Okay.
Okay, click on that checkbox so that that will be updated. On the top, there is a checkbox, right? Yep, that
Yeah.
file you are committing. No, commit to main. So now, is this main same as my main?
Yes, Vajrang.
No, it's wrong.
No, it will be different because it will be changed.
So
We have added
whatever
resume my
changes you are making now, that is only in your repository. That's not added up to mine.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you see that there is one up arrow on the push origin?
Yes, yes, Vajrang. Yeah.
Okay. So what exactly is this is? Now, whatever the changes that you have made, it is stored in your local only. If you go back to GitHub website and if you see there will be no folder, no file uploaded. Can you go to GitHub website? Yeah. GitHub website, not GitHub desktop.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Vajrang. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now is this is my repo. Go to your repo. If you click on fork, you will go to your repo. Fork on the top right.
Yeah, I have clicked on that. Yeah.
Okay. Now can you see your folder name here?
No, no. I think not yet.
Okay. So just understand when you commit something, you are accepting your changes and you're storing it somewhere. Okay, I have completed my changes, but you have not released it to everyone for them to pick it up.
Okay.
Whatever changes
That's there
you
in my
made,
local.
exactly, whatever changes you made, that is only for your purpose. Now, if you want to give it to everyone, you need to push the code to repository.
Okay.
Okay, go to GitHub Desktop,
Yeah.
push origin. You are pushing it to origin. Now, which origin is it? Is it your origin or my origin? What is the difference?
It's your origin.
Wrong.
Because it will be going to main.
No, it will not be
Okay.
my origin. It will be only till now, whatever you have done, it will be only within yourself. You cannot even touch my code.
Okay.
Okay. Until I approve something, you cannot even make any single change in the code.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now go to GitHub website.
Yeah.
Now refresh it. Now can you see anil.msg?
Yeah.
Okay.
Upload my resume.
Exactly. But that one is not available in my repo. Go to Vajrang/RP developer in 30 days. So this is from where you have copied the code, right?
Yes. So it's the main one.
Exactly. But there is no information in this.
Yeah, it's not there.
As a team lead, as someone who is maintaining the code, I need to check each and everything that you made as a change.
Okay.
Until I approve it, you will not have any right or any access to make any changes in the main, like in the production.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's assume that there are 300 members doing it.
Yes.
Now, should I check every person or can I just skip it?
You should check every 300.
Exactly. So I
Yeah.
cannot skip any person's code. As a person who is maintaining or who is checking, I need to check each and everyone's code. Just a second.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah. Okay, నీకు ఒక నెంబర్ ఇస్తుంది అనుకోవచ్చు. Okay, now go to your fork once. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, now click on fork again. When you click on fork, see, you are saying this branch is one commit ahead of Vajrang RP developer in 30 days. So what is it saying? There are some changes in your code, and from my code there is one commit away, like there is one extra change in your code.
Okay.
So it is clearly telling you what are the changes. Okay, and how
How
many
many changes
commits, yeah, how many changes happened also, you can just confirm with this.
Okay.
Okay, let's go with the next step. Now, how
Yeah.
can you add or how can you make sure that I accept your changes?
Okay. Once you accept, my code will be present in Vajrang's
But
main folder.
but I don't know that you have made a change. I will check only
Okay.
my repository. Why will I check each and 350 repositories?
There will be something like this in your folder also, maybe.
No, there will not be.
Like there is a comment. Okay.
No. You need to go ahead and click on pull requests.
Okay.
No, not there, not there. Or the above
In
board,
the-
above code. Next to code, you can see pull requests.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to click on that?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now create a pull request. Create a new pull request.
Okay. This is to mention that I have made a changes. Please accept or review these.
Exactly.
Okay.
So till you make this step, until you do this step, I will not be notified. None of them who are maintaining will be notified any changes you make.
Okay.
Okay, until you create a pull request. You are asking me to pull your changes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, create a pull request. Guys, I'll
There is
be
no need to change anything here.
no need, right? Create a pull request, but here you need to mention what exactly changes you made. What are the changes you made? For example, there can be 10 different commits you made, and you will make only one pull request. Let me explain you again. So now you have uploaded one file and you committed it, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow you came back and you uploaded 3 more files
Okay.
and you made a commit again.
Yes.
But until you confirm that all the changes are completed and ready for me to review, you will not make a pull request.
Okay. So all the 4 requests will be sent only by one
Yes,
one pull request.
exactly. So when you are making a pull request, it will show you what are the commits that need to be pulled.
Okay.
Okay, just create a pull
Yes.
request now.
Yes. 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 It's
Okay,
done.
so it is showing that the branch has no conflicts with the base branch. What is base branch here?
It's. I think it's yours.
Exactly. So this is my
Yeah.
branch. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Just please see it. Okay, now I have multiple things that came in. If you observe, so this is my teams, and how will I get a notification? In the chat, I have RPA GitHub. So this is linked to my chat now. Okay, and can you see here pull request by Chandu, pull request by Amit, pull request by Armour and Anil. So everyone are making change requests. Pulled. Okay. So what I can do is I can see the changes or I can review your changes. But this is how I'll be notified. I will also be notified with an email. Like there is a pull request that's made. I will also make a change. New for project team created. So if I am a maintainer, who will review my changes? No one. I can just commit it because I am the owner of my branch. I can commit it. There is no one to review my changes. Okay. So that is the reason we will never do any commits in the main. We will do only it in the branches. Now can you see there are 6 pull requests? Okay.
Yes, first.
Now there are others also who made some pull requests, but I can go directly to yours and I can see what are the changes those are made. So if you see here, there is an ID PR3539359. Okay, and here in the history I can see what are the changes that's made. Anil MSD docs. Okay, let me just open it. Repository, show in Explorer, Anil MST. Okay, I will open this folder. Okay, now this is just with hello. I'll also add approved because I am the maintainer, right? I can do whatever I want. Okay, and I will just add it and save it. Now if you see here, there are one change, but the change is in your branch. Now what exactly have happened is, if you go to teams, Now in this teams, let's go to project team notes. Okay, now if you see here, we have something called Anil branch, right? That's created. Now in this Anil branch, from this Anil branch, you made a sub branch over here. That is, okay, let's go and check with this one. You are making a branch. Okay, just a second, guys. Hello? Hello? Okay, address చెప్పు కరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తాను 1 2 3 రమ్మని చెప్పు okay bye. Okay, sorry, but here you created a separate branch for you, that is PR/396. So these are automatically generated. These IDs are automatically generated 359. So before you there are 359 new changes that are made, and now I made a small change in this one, right? Now which branch will that be in? Will this be in PR359 or will that be in Anil?
It will be in 359.
Exactly. Approved. Added. Okay. Now I can push it to GitHub Anil. I can make changes to your code. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll just choose a branch to merge into PR. So branches, I'll just choose this branch, main. Okay. And I will merge this branch. Choose branch. I will select your branch and I will create a merge commit. So I have reviewed your changes. See, even if I commit, I need to push it to origin. Till then, I will not be able to show it to everyone. So these many checks we have for each and every activity. So until I make some change, you will be notified. And if you make some changes, all the team members will be notified with that.
Okay.
So did you get a message or email that your change is approved?
One second, sir. I'm checking.
Yes. You can also see it over here that uploaded my resume, Vajrang approved. Pull request is merged by Vajrang.
Okay.
Okay. See here, uploaded my resume, approved, added, and merge branch to PR. All the changes I can see each and everything over my email or in the Teams chat if I have created it.
I have got a mail, Vajrang, that you have approved.
Exactly. So that's how team will be notified that they have approved it. Okay, now let's review others as well. Now Amani have updated, so let's go ahead and review Amani's. Okay, so 366 Amani, and let me see what are the changes she made. Amani, and uploaded a resume. So all I can do is go to branch. So this is not the only way how I can do it. I can also do it from pull requests. Uploaded my resume, approve. So there are multiple ways how I can approve. So I'm checking for if there are any merge requests. Approved. Confirm and merge. Amani, please confirm. You unmute and talk and confirm if you have merged the code. Now the thing that will happen is, now I have made the change. Are these available for you right away? Can you please check?
Vajrang, can you hear me?
Yes, Amani.
You want me to check in my repository
Yep.
or in your repository?
Exactly. Can you please check in your repository whether Anil file is available or not in your folder or in your code? I'll make you as a presenter. Amani, just a second, Amani. Where are you? Okay, yeah. Make presenter. Okay. Yep, I made you as a presenter. Okay, we are closing in 1 minute, guys. Can you share your screen, Amni?
So is it visible now?
Not yet.
No. Vajrang, is there any option?
Yeah, on the top right, next to leave, there is an option called share.
Yeah, got it.
Team meetings gets extended sometimes. I cannot have a hard stop because you people will never understand if I stop it now. Amni, please share your screen.
It is visible. I clicked on share.
Okay, please wait. Anil, can you please share your screen? Let's make fast. Let's make it fast.
Yes, I'm sharing. Okay.
Guys who have queries, stay in the call. I'll not close this meeting. It will still be on. Maybe I'll stop the recording only. Go to GitHub website. Or if you can see, there is pull origin. There is one down on the top. You can see.
Yes. Yeah.
So even in the GitHub desktop, you will be notified that there are some changes in my repository. Okay. But before that, can you go to GitHub website?
Yes.
Okay. Go back to code. Code. Click
Linux.
on code. Yeah, you can click on
Yes.
fork. You can click on fork or anything. That's fine. Now, if you can see that this branch is 3 commits behind Vajrang code. Can you see that?
Yes, yeah.
So daily when you log in the morning, you will see if there are any changes made by others. First you pull them. Okay, because I am maintaining it, right? So I know that this is working. So you can click on fetch upstream. So when you click fetch upstream, just wait. Can you see I have updated or I have completed one code, right? One approval. What is that? Harmonies folder I have approved. Can you see that in your folder? In your folders? Harmony, AMANI. Okay, press Ctrl F and search.
I need to check in main, right?
No,
Yeah.
that's correct. No,
Yeah.
you cannot check in main. It's your code that you are checking always, not mine. Okay, so if you can see, there is no folder named Harmony. Why? Because you haven't taken changes from my code.
You always breaking up.
No. So what exactly happened is the changes are made in main production repository. Okay, go to fork, click on fork.
Issue from my side.
Yeah, might be. Click on fork once. Click on fork. Not happening.
Sir, click on fork.
Yeah, I think there is a lag from you. I think
There is
we are
an
not
issue.
seeing. Yeah. Okay. Can you see fetch upstream, everyone who
Yes.
have approved Harmony? You can also see fetch upstream. I'm also approving others codes. Just see. I'm approving all the pull requests quickly.
Vajra, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but people are complaining that my voice is not audible. I'm just checking that. That's it. Is my voice not audible for everyone? Okay, let me just join back. Just wait for a second. Okay. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, Vajra, it's better. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Anil, I think you have clicked on fetch upstream, right?
No, I did not click on fetch extreme.
Fetch upstream.
Where that will be, Vajran?
Okay.
So I
Share
mean,
share
my
screen.
yeah, I'm sharing.
Okay. See, there is fetch upstream on the top, below code, green code button. Below green code on the
Yes,
right
yes,
side,
yes. Yeah.
fetch upstream. Click on that. So when you click on
Fetch
fetch
and merge.
upstream, you are accepting changes from the main file to your code.
Okay.
Okay, so there are changes someone have done that I have approved, but you haven't accepted them till now.
Okay. So I
Now
need to
you need to
fetch
fetch
and
them.
merge them again.
Exactly, fetch and merge them.
Okay.
Okay, so each and every change will be notified or it will be checked and validated. So what I'll do is I'll quickly share my screen and I will approve all the changes. So everyone, while I'm doing this, keep checking fetch upstream. I will accept Akriti Gupta. So where Akriti made change. So Akriti made change in, let's see where the files are changed. Okay, Akriti Gupta week 1, this is where she changed it. Okay, so I will go ahead into conversation, open it, squash and merged. Yep, merging it. So Akriti, I have merged your change. So others will see fetch upstreams. Every time I do a approval, you will see a fetch upstream if you haven't made it. Testing completed. Jay Kumar Dia. Okay, so here I will see if there are any conflicts. Actually, GitHub will show me if there are any conflicts. Okay, no conflicts, approved. Others, please check if there are, if there is an option for you to approve or check with the pull request. Created my pull request. So don't give these descriptive names like created my pull request and all. Next time I will not approve. You need to clearly mention what change you made. Okay, Word document, created a Word document, no conflicts, but the file change is in Avinash. Okay, so conversation merge. Okay, then let's go with pull request again. So my responsibility is to get all these approved. If I want to reject them, I can reject them. Just Anil, can you please confirm if you have, if you are getting approvals like fetch upstreams as I approve these
Yes, yes, there are 4 commits.
ahead, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Excuse me. Okay, I'm accepting Chetan's. I'll just approve everyone's. Just a second. So you're only 30 members in team 5, or in the last team there were 80 members who are committing these changes at a single shot. I need to check and review each and every month. In normal scenarios, this will not happen because this will be there will be only team member of 3 or 4 members, and only one person will be approving them. So it will not be like I'll just see and approve it. I'll check each and every line that you have written. Okay. Will not accept like this created a text file. There should be some context of what you have written, Chandu. Okay. excuse me. Okay, so the meeting is completed, guys. Let me just stop the recording, but this will help you enough to complete with today's activity. So I'll just stop the recording. Where is this?